Good morning, everybody. It's Alison from Engli-teach.com. Welcome back to another live lesson. I hope you are all good and well. Today we are going to continue from what we were doing yesterday in yesterday's live lesson, which was the indefinite article, but we're going to be having a few more complicated examples. So let's get going straight away. So if you haven't yet gone along to Engli-teach.com, go ahead and get your free access account. It gives you lots and lots of free resources to help you learn English better and faster. Okay, so yesterday we were learning about the indefinite article. Hello Isam, hello Elnur. Let me know where you're learning from as well. Which country are you currently learning from? Can you let me know? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so yesterday we were learning about the indefinite article. And if you don't know what that is, it's a and an, and when we use it. So an is normally always used in front of a word that starts with a vowel. Brief recap, a vowel is A, E, I, O and U, whereas a or a is always used with a consonant. Okay, from Iraq. Okay, wonderful. So today we're going to look at the different sectors in the English language where you will use these elements with examples. So yesterday we talked a little bit about naming members in groups, so in particular jobs. She is a nurse. I am an engineer, not I am engineer, I am a engineer. It's I am an engineer. He wants to be a rock star. For example, these are just a few of my examples. But we also use it with nationalities and religion. Okay? So Alison, moi-même, is an English teacher. Inkra is a Buddhist. Mohammed is a Muslim. Okay, so when we talk about religion, we talk about with a religion and we relate a person to it. In a sense, they're almost both a subject. So Inkra is a Buddhist, Mohammed is a Muslim, because a religion is an entity within its own right. So other ways in which we use this as well is with the days of the week. And don't worry, I'm going to delete some of this now. But don't worry, because I will leave you a link for an article on our website where you can go and get all of this information if you want to go back to it afterwards. And if you have your free access account, you also get free assessments. So make sure you have that. So we also use this with days of the week. I'm just going to move some of this though, because it's a bit squished. On a Monday, here we go. So we use with days of the week. So live English classes are on a Monday, or I could meet you on a Saturday lunchtime. And these are also ways of you practicing your word order and your pronunciation. So if you're thinking the indefinite article is quite easy for you, then you need to be recognizing how I'm using it in sentences for word order. And we also use it when we are referring to an example of something. So it was a blue car in the crash. It was a blue car. The dog had a waggy tail. The man had a beautiful smile. But I'm going to say these sentences at my normal native speed. And when you listen, you can hear that actually you can hardly hear the a in it. It was a blue car. It was a blue car. It was a blue car in the crash. The dog had a waggy tail. The man had a beautiful smile. It's almost a, when I take the breath, you hear the ah. And this is why lots of learners of English often just forget it. Or don't even realise they're meant to say it. Okay, we also use a and an with a singular noun. With a singular noun after the words what and such. What and such here. So what a sham. What a sham this is. And if you don't know what a sham is, does anybody know what a sham is? A sham. A sham is like a scam. If you've been shammed, you've been scammed. We say scammed. So what a sham this is, in fact, let me put here. So sham is scammed. So this is kind of slang English. Scammed means to rip off. So if you rip someone off, it means that you do a dirty deal. It means you've been dishonest and you've done something to acquire or to get something. Maybe you charged more than the price of something, more than what it was worth. Maybe you sold someone something knowing it wasn't working. Maybe you took money for a product or a service which you knew you weren't going to then give or provide to the buyer. So all of these things are a sham. What a sham this is. Ripped off, okay? He, I've missed a word out there. He is, going on to the next one. He is such a liar. He is such a liar. Oh, that new man, he is such a liar. What a beautiful day. And she is a good teacher. Or he is a good student. Get rid of some of this now. She is such a good teacher. He is such a great student. So when you use such, you use a afterwards, not an. He is such a. What a beautiful day. He is such a. And you can also use such a after such. Okay. Now we're going to have a little look at how we use this when we are referring to a single object, a person, or a measurement of something. Okay, let's get rid of some of this. So this is particularly useful if you're shopping, so shopping in an English-speaking country, or if you are ordering food in a restaurant. Hello. So we're now moving on to this. So these are the rules. I would like £2. Oh, hang on a minute. That should be I would like a £2 bag of sugar, please. I would like a £2 bag of sugar, please. So a is used here. This is the indefinite article. I need a 10-kilo bag of rice. Not I need bag of rice, or I need 10 kilo bag of rice, which is often how non-natives speak. Yes, it's understood, but it's not grammatically correct. And this is about using grammar to take your English to the next level. And these teeny little words are indicators that your English grammar is, if you're using it, is good, or not good if you're not using it. So I need a 10 kilo bag of rice, please. I'd like 2 coffees and a. So here we're talking about quantities. So 2 coffees and a croissant, please. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. You need a good lawyer now. You need a really good lawyer now. Oh my gosh, you need a good lawyer now. And I have a new watch. So in our I have a new watch, we're talking about an object. You need a good lawyer. We're talking about a person or a professional. And I would like a £2 bag of sugar. I need a 10 kilo bag of rice, please. And I'd like 2 coffees and a croissant, please. Here we're talking about quantities. I need 2 new workers to help me on this construction site. I need 5 more engineers to complete this project. Okay, so all of these words are very, very useful. So that was a little lesson carrying on from the lesson that I did yesterday on the indefinite article. So if that's been useful to you, let me know. Leave me some questions down below. And I will see you again later on today at 6 live Engli speak lesson. So this is where I bring you on camera and you speak English. So I'm doing that tonight, 6 p.m. London time. Don't forget. See you then, and thank you for learning with Engli-teach. Goodbye.